So we have Mic 2 machines, right?
Yep, correct.
Yeah, it's a custom model. It's a gantry style, so 180-degree access that we co-innovated on with Glenn. One we bought in October of last year. Everyone here prefers to work on those machines. One, because it's safer than RF. The speed at which we can make welds is appreciably faster because we make 10 footers instead of 40 inchers. The fact that we have the 360-degree access allows us to more easily move materials in and out in a more efficient manner. It allows for easier operator access and accessibility. Performance benefits were there, but the big thing why we connected with Glenn is we have a new sustainable alternative to vinyl through my other company, Renegade Plastics. So it's a non-toxic, fully recyclable, low carbon, higher performing alternative. Given the nature of the fabric, it cannot be welded on RF. Glenn's machine is perfect for what we want to do. It welds that fabric well, and it is an important piece of the ecosystem to support the adoption of Renegade plastics. From top to bottom is the efficiency gains. I mean, we were able to reduce the production time on some of these welded products by 60%, 50 or 60%. You're just way more efficient with the machine. It's the same tack time as RF, but the bar length, it could have been even better if I bought a 40-foot machine or a 30-foot machine. Anyone who knows these types of products in this industry knows all the alternatives. So RF and impulse. And I always tell people it's as if impulse and RF had a baby and the baby's better. It's faster, it's more efficient and safer.
With RF, you're essentially sending radio frequency through a bar, and while it's in process or under cycle, if you touch the bar, you can get shocked and burned pretty badly.
It's unacceptable to me if a machine is unsafe enough that it can harm someone in that fashion.
Okay, and have you looked to see if these machines compare with anybody else?
No, there's nothing like this.
There's nothing like. Can you say that one more time?
There's nothing like it.
Call today for a custom quote at 954-834-2211 or visit Novaseal.com to learn more about Packet Welding.